So I wanted to give you my thoughts on this. I love this website. By the way, it's ADATitleIII.com. Okay, I had to say it that way because it's a very clever way of saying ADATitle3.com. But anytime you write the words Title 3 in reference to a law, you always reference the number in Roman numerals. And so it's a very clever play on words for their website URL, but it's a little tricky because you have to say it like that if you're gonna give people the correct URL. Okay, Domino's to ask Supreme Court to consider whether ADA website, mobile application, accessibility lawsuits violate due process. No, I don't mean to laugh. It's not funny. But it's how they're how their lawyers, I'm sure it's their lawyers, trying to lessen the inevitable because they're going to wind up settling this suit. But they're, prolonging it, unfortunately, by asking, hey, does web accessibility violate the due process laws, right? Meaning, hey, did I do something wrong? Is somebody, is there somebody harmed here? Do we have a victim? And all, I don't know what they're trying to claim, but yeah, I just thought I'd give you a quick commentary on this. Here's SafeArt Synapses. Domino's likely to file petition for, oh boy, I don't even know how to pronounce that. Certiorari? I don't know. Give me a break. From Ninth Circuit's ruling on Robles versus Domino's. Yeah, I don't know. I'd have to read this whole article, but, they've been sued. Somebody said, okay, look, I can't operate your website or your mobile app with my screen reader or whatever other assistive device they used to try and gain access to this website and mobile app. Well, apparently they weren't able to on the day that they weren't able to, and that technically is a violation of the ADA because your website, being part of your business, is what's known as a place of public accommodation. If you operate a company that has physical locations as well as a website where transactions can be handled, then your website needs to be just as accessible to people with disabilities as your physical building or buildings, in the case of Domino's. So they're fighting it. I don't know why they wouldn't just settle. That's usually what it starts out as is, hey, you get a letter and it's, requesting a certain amount of money for damages and, and hey, you got to fix your website or whatever the demand letter is. We'd have to see it because I'm sure they got one first. But they either ignored it or was first. I have to go back and read the whole story of Domino's. Bottom line is this. Domino's or anybody else, let's get our websites in order. Let's fix them. Let's make them accessible to people with disabilities. It's not nice to have a website that my blind aunt or grandmother can't access just because you don't want to spend the money or you didn't want to spend the money up front or you don't want to spend it now. Let's get our websites up to shape, up to code. It's WCAG 2.1. Just bring them up to code. That's all you have to do. And if you need help making your website ADA compliant, you can give us a call or come to our website at 508helpdesk.com, or you can give us a call at 1-844-508-HELP.